India at present has 29 states and 7 union territories, including National Capital Territory of Delhi. The Constitution of India provides for one High Court for every federating state in the country. But the Parliament has been given the power to put more states under one High Court. It all depends on the area and the population which a High Court has to serve and the amount of work it has to handle. For example, there is only one High Court for the 2 states of Haryana and Punjab, while the National Capital Territory of Delhi has a separate High Court. Composition. A High Court consists of one Chief Justice and as many other judges as the Parliament may fix from time to time. Besides, the Chief Justice of a High Court can call any judge from the subordinate courts to serve in the High Court temporarily if the load of works so demands. A temporary judge can be appointed for a period of not more than 2 years and cannot hold office after the age of 62. Qualifications. The Chief Justice as well as other judges of the High Court must possess the following qualifications. He should be a citizen of India. He should have worked as a judge in any court in India for not less than 10 years. Or he should have worked as an advocate in the High Court or High Courts in India continuously for 10 years. Or he should be a renowned writer in the field of law. Or he should have been a recognized teacher of excellent reputation in a law college. Appointment and tenure. The Chief Justice of a High Court in India is appointed by the President in consultation with the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court and the Governor of the state concerned. The other judges of the High Court are appointed by the President after duly consulting the Chief Justice of the concerned High Court. The Chief Justice and the judges of the High Courts serve till they reach 62 years of age. They cannot be removed from service unless they are impeached according to the procedure laid down for the impeachment of the President and the judges of the Supreme Court. Pay and allowances. As a result of the 6th Pay Commission, the revised salary of the Chief Justice of a High Court is Rs 90,000 and that of the other judges Rs 80,000, with handsome allowances fixed by the Parliament from time to time. They also get free and furnished houses with all the facilities at government expense. As has been already mentioned, their pay and allowances cannot be reduced during their service. Functions and duties. Like the Supreme Court of India, a High Court has to perform many functions and duties of judicial and non-judicial nature. Some important functions of the High Courts are listed below. Original jurisdiction. The original jurisdiction of the High Court is very limited. Cases relating to fundamental rights, divorce, wills and laws relating to marriage can be brought directly to a High Court. The High Courts of Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata, however, possess an original jurisdiction over all cases arising within their territory. Appellate jurisdiction. All the decisions made by the subordinate courts in all types of civil as well as criminal matters can be brought to the High Court by an appeal. Only those civil cases which are decided by the lower courts under the jurisdiction of the High Court concerned can be brought to the High Court on an appeal.